Adding object to existing group. I'm making a PowerPoint presentation that are using a lot of animation, since this is to be recorded as a video. Only tool I had that suited my needs and I already had. I now have a bunch of groups which has animations attached. Are there any way I can add an object to an existing group so I don't have to recreate all the animations again? It's a simple text I forgot. Seems so very simple, but I can't find a way to do it.
At the non-hacker's suggestion, we'll create a new group consisting of the original group plus the newly added shape, but the new group won't be animated and the original group will lose its animation. Yeah, I don't think it'll do what you want. If you have PowerPoint 2010, there's a way to do this, though. Duplicate the original group, add the new shape to the duplicated group, exactly as the non-hacker describes. Click the original animated group to select it. Click Animations tab, Advanced Animation Group, Animation Painter. This picks up the animation from the original. Click the new group to apply the animation. Delete the original group after testing to make sure that the animation was applied correctly. You may then need to use the animation pane to reorder the animations.
Duplicating, not copying/pasting, items in a group will add them to the group without ungrouping/regrouping, thus maintaining the animations. For example, if you need to add text to an existing group and maintain the animation, select the group you want to add the new text box to. Click an existing text box within the group. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the existing text box. This will add a duplicate text box to the group without ungrouping/regrouping. Edit the new text box as desired. If you don't have a text box already in the group, select a shape and duplicate it. Any shape, other than a line, should work since you can change the shape to a rectangle after you duplicate it. Change the properties of the shape to those of a text box, rectangle, no line, no fill, etc., and then add the text to it. If you don't have any shapes or other objects that will take text, but have a picture in your group, add a text box to the slide, not in the group, just anywhere on the slide. Add the text that you need to put in the group for this text box. Right-click on the new text box and select Save as Picture. Save it somewhere convenient, desktop, then delete the text box. Select a picture in your group and duplicate it. Right-click the new, duplicated, picture and select Change Picture. Find and select the text box you just saved as a picture, desktop. Unfortunately, you cannot edit the text anymore, but your animations are still intact. If your group doesn't have any of these objects that you can manipulate to take text, then you may be out of luck.
Select your new item and choose an animation type for it. Notice appearance in the animation pane. Right of window when animations toolbar is selected. Now use the reorder tool at the bottom of the animation pane to move the new item to a spot just below, in the animation pane, the last item in the animation group you wish to add it to. Select the new item. Use the pull-down menu to select Start with Previous. You should see the new item merge with the existing animation group.
Initiate the selection process for your current group. Utilize the shift-click functionality to identify the new object to be incorporated into the group. Execute the group command to complete the grouping process.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.